Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can withdraw your money you get from Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, you're not going to be withdrawing anything technically. Every payment that goes through will automatically be added to your bank account or to your payment provider, which you're using through Shopify, whichever you set up first. And yeah, you can then withdraw your money physically from those providers. Now, the way you can set up the Shopify payment system is to go into settings, and once you're here, you're going to go into payments just like so. And once you're here, as you can see, you can activate PayPal, which is a supported payment method, or you can use third-party payment providers, which you can click here and choose one of these. Now you have a bogus gateway, which is just for testing. This is not a payment provider. However, you can also go through Aiden Payments integration for UC Pay, Molly Cards, Way Direct, etc., etc. You have the list of all of these here, and you'll see under which ones are available. It'll say supports 3DS or something like that, or if it's unavailable, it'll just say unavailable in your country, and you just need to select that one and then just follow the instructions and the procedure to set everything up with Shopify. Now, once you've done that, or if you've connected PayPal, whenever a payment goes through on your store, that money is going to be deposited in your account that you've set up, and that is all you need to do. Afterwards, just go ahead and withdraw your money from that account to wherever you want. You can withdraw it in cash or withdraw it to another account, but that is pretty much all there is to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.